What does Roblox error 267 mean? I'm going to show you what does the Roblox error 267 mean. Error code 267 in Roblox indicates that you have been kicked from a session or temporarily banned from the game. It can appear when joining an experience. Several other factors can also spring it. The error could appear to prevent users with unstable internet connection from affecting an experience. It is also a way to prevent people from having an unfair advantage in the game. So if you're cheating, you'll likely get the Roblox error 267. Due to its varied nature, error code 267 has no single fix. But depending on the message given alongside the error code, you may be able to narrow down the cause. If it is related to your conduct and experience, be mindful of your actions leading up to the ban. Remember, others can report you for suspicious activity. If it is a technical issue, the steps below should help you understand and remedy. If error code 267 appears, this will help you determine whether the issue lies with a particular experience, Roblox client, or something else in your environment. If the new experience loads without issue, the problem likely lies with the original server you are joining. In this case, we suggest waiting a few hours before joining. If you've recently installed a new browser add-on, consider removing it again before using Roblox. It is unlikely that existing add-ons or existing browser would suddenly cause error code 267. Consider temporarily disabling your antivirus software. Again, it is unlikely that your security package would cause an issue. Remember to reactivate it after this troubleshooting step.